Hey guys, welcome to the Lucky the Review, the King of the Reviewer channel. Grand welcoming to my channels. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you in the 2021s. You are all doing the very well. So today the topic of the discussion is the Spyvio. So let us see how it works and review about these products. So first of all, world first business Spyvio tools that uncovered right now the proven and profitable ads, funnels, and email from the competitors. You can extract funnels, ads, and emails ideas from your competitors. With the help of the Spyvio, you can increase your profit and you can boost your websites, funnels, email marketing, and many more. So just start profiting the tools with the Spyvio in just is the 3 steps. First one is the pick up the winning campaigns from any of the top the 100 business across most profitable niche and find out the competitor most profitable campaigns in the seconds. Reverse engineer teams them access their entire funnels, ads, and emails. What is the meaning of the first step? It's nothing but you can extract or you can get the ideas from your competitors. You can make your campaigns in a easy manner. Second step is to simply duplicate and customize your competitor most profitable campaigns and save the 1,000 in the testing, amazing your client and blow away from the competitors. Whenever you are making the campaigns for your business, at that time you cannot generate proper ideas, and some of the people are not familiar with the campaigns and how to make out these campaigns. So with the help of this kind of tool, you can make very easily campaigns in a more profitable way. So the third one is the use or the sell for the making the instant profits and collect the save for the later use. You can also generate lots of the funnels and landing page and the campaigns with the help of these tools. Whenever you are using at the time you are just upload it on the very different websites and many different platforms. So the use of the Spyvio to collect and store the email from any newspaper, collect the ads, replicate your competitors' campaigns with your logos and offers, collect the download cold leads from the income emails, clicks the research to the reverse engineering analysis funnels, sell the high converting emails, ads, and funnels. See the Spyvio in the action. So I will be discussing in the end of this video here everything else about the Spyvio can do for you. Work for the old business. This is the amazing, guys. Still, if you not subscribe my channel, then press the subscribe button. Visit the link which is already mentioned in the description for the more information. So because I will be making the value paid videos for you, and share this video with your friends, families, and many more social media platform. Work for the old businesses. As long as the business has an online presence, you can spy on them and collect their access within the Spyvio, and the business can hold and started as easily as the morning. It means that you can work out all the businesses with the help of the Spyvio. Due to the pandemic of the COVID-19, all the businesses are moving towards the online, so that at that time Facebook folders, email ads, and sales and funnels are the very important things. Collect up to the 10,000 assets. Next one is the repeat detection and monitoring the technology. Spyvio detects the ads, emails, the funnel faster than the other softwares, because some of the people are already familiar with all the terms. With the help of the different kind of software, you can analysis on the emails, funnels, and many more things. But the Spyvio is the one of the most and demanding software. It's released about 15/12/2020. So this is the new software, and it's covered the major market in the world. Unlimited searches and bookmarks and uses. Run an unlimited number of searches, track and collect your competitors' campaigns, and use the Spyvio to maximize the capacity for one-time price at the part. As you can see on the screen, Spyvio is works on the messengers, Google AdSense, Messenger for the Facebook, Instagrams, remove the glass, go search for the ads, Next one is generate the buyer traffic today with ads, because whenever dealing with online business, at that time the traffic is the one of the most important things. So whenever you are moving towards the more traffic on your website, you can generate the more profits. Food competitors breakdown, you can also extract competitors backlinks and all the ideas behind the campaigns. So world most profitable ads emails funnels in the unified database, and collect the store the emails from the any newspapers. In this way you can read out all the information which is already mentioned on this page. So this is the price about this product Spyvio. You can, if you are interested to buy this product, then visit the link which is already mentioned in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video.